Please hit the subscribe button, and for more videos and updates, hit the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Kavya. I'm 9 years old, and today in this video you'll be wondering why am I not showing one of my hands? Because it has the surprise what we're going to make in this video. Yes, it's going to be these cute rabbits. You can even use that as a finger puppet or even as a ring. Let's start. So first I'm going to show you all the supplies we are going to need. So we are going to need a tissue paper, which is the most important. It's a tissue paper, not origami paper, or tissue paper. Scissors, tape, red marker, black pen, and I'm going to use my touch markers to make the detail inside the bunny's ear. First, we need to fold it from this corner to this corner and this corner to this corner. Now fold it again. Now open and open. Now as you can see, you have 4 sections. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So go over here and cut out one section. You won't need this small paper now. We can just fold this till the middle line and fold it again till this line. Now you have a kind of like a flat roll. Now turn it vertically and fold from this corner to this corner and this corner to this corner. Now open. Now you have the center line. Now you can just fold this up and align this line, align. Now you have to fold this in. So you have to, in a simpler way, align this edge with this edge. You need to do this with both the sides. This is like a bookmark now. Now fold this edge, so this side till the middle line. The same thing, this here. And just do the same thing over here. Now turn and fold this up. Now turn. Cut out a small piece of your tape. Cut out a small piece and stick it here. Just so that you're that's stuck to my mat. Just secure this. Now with your scissors, you can just cut these 2 triangles of extra tape. And then if you have still have some extra tape, you can just pull. Now you're almost there. Just go here, turn, and then just put your finger in and then make the bunny's face and give this a bit of volume. I'm just going to give it a 3D effect. I just put my fingers in the ears. Now we can start decorating with my pen. Just going to make 2 dots. Make a triangle. And then it's going to make that shape. Now with my red marker. My hand is like shaking today. Now with my this. This is how you make a bunny which can even be used as a puppet or even be worn as a ring. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Bye. 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 All the bunnies want to say bye, and even me. Bye.